You're looking at PEZ history. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the stain from where we cleaned Pluto. Dirty Pluto. Dirty Pluto. Dirty Pluto. What's really going on, PEZ book fans? Josh the PEZ guy here with a piece of PEZ history. What could it be? Let's open it up. It's a Golden Glow PEZ dispenser. Now, if you notice, I have not touched this Golden Glow. Do not touch your Golden Glow PEZ dispensers or they will get all nasty and funky and paint will fall off. But what's really cool is look at the paint underneath of that. That stem is the stem for a creature from the Black Lagoon. They would just paint anything they had. Especially that stem that I'm sure somebody who's watching this needs. But this is what makes it important. Alright. Oh! Alright, I'm just going to read it instead of showing it to you. This is one of the Golden Glows found in the Shapiro PEZ find with the Political Donkey in 2012. It was given to Carl Shapiro from Kurt Alino personally. Alino? Yeah. And I have an autograph from the guy who was related to Mr. Shapiro, who found the Political Donkey. I will show you at the end of this video a picture of the Political Donkey with the Golden Glow. He had 6 Golden Glows. Now, I've always seen a lot of ads with the Golden Glow in the middle of a Pentagon stand. A Pentagon stand can hold a total of 6 PEZ dispensers. I always wanted 6 Golden Glows on a Pentagon stand. And as you see from the picture, the Political Donkey... Can we show that picture? Thank you. So if you notice there were 6 of them there, I bet you there was a Pentagon stand involved and he didn't know about it. But the story behind these dispensers and the Political Donkey is that this, he was a younger guy, only about 20 years old. He's cleaning out his grandpa's basement. They got a trash pile, they got a keep pile. The box of PEZ goes to the trash pile. A Frankenstein falls out. His girlfriend likes Frankenstein. She keeps the PEZ. She starts going through the PEZ. Then they cannot find the Political Donkey anywhere. And then they went on a tour. And up at PEZmania is where I got the picture of the Political Donkey with the Golden Glows. Again, can we show that picture? Thank you. So we got to see it up there, and he asked me if I wanted to hold it. I told him if I saw him put it in somebody's hand, I would break his hands. That you don't put something that's that valuable in somebody's hands. Come on. That's why you have it behind glass in that case. See? Oh, I'm sorry. Please show the picture again. Many, many thank yous. So there you go. There is my piece of PEZ history that I've had for almost 6 years now. That's something else. Rolled it up in that paper and just held on to it. What do you have in your PEZ collection that you just rolled up in some paper and hid away? Yep. Comments. That's that comments part. So until next time...